Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster at home. Start by selecting 1-pound lobsters per person and thaw frozen lobsters safely in the fridge. Prepare a large pot with enough salted water to cover lobsters and bring to a rolling boil. Have butter, lemon, and simple sides ready. Use a thermometer and tongs for safe handling, and keep a timer handy to avoid overcooking. Choose your preferred cooking method based on taste and timing. For boiling, fully submerge lobsters and thyme from the return to a boil. For steaming, use a basket and maintain a vigorous simmer for consistent heat. For grilling, split and oil the meat to prevent sticking and brush with seasoned butter. Rest cooked lobster briefly so juices redistribute, then serve with warm butter and lemon for best flavor. Keep sauces simple to let the lobster shine while offering variety for guests. Melted butter with a squeeze of lemon is a classic that highlights the meat. Mix garlic and herbs into compound butter for richer bites, or whisk a light citrus vinaigrette for chilled lobster salads. Serve sauces warm when appropriate, and consider offering a small selection so everyone can choose their favorite pairing for each type of preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.